What happens when Suzuki decides to go all out? You get the 2026 RM-Z 1050, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Suzuki's latest release. Let's dive in. Design. Starting with the design, Suzuki has refined the RM-Z's aggressive styling while keeping it functional. The bodywork is sleeker, the lines are sharper, and the overall stance commands attention. The slim profile improves rider movement, and the updated graphics give it a fresh, modern look without losing that classic Suzuki identity. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 1050cc engine delivers impressive power across the entire rev range. Acceleration is smooth yet responsive, and the updated suspension system handles rough terrain with confidence. Whether you're pushing hard on the track or cruising through technical sections, this bike feels balanced and capable. Features and technology. Suzuki has also stepped up the technology. The digital display is easy to read and provides essential information at a glance. Traction control and multiple riding modes allow you to tailor the experience to your skill level or riding conditions. These additions make the RM-Z 1050 more versatile than ever. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 RM-Z 1050 brings solid upgrades to an already respected platform. It's a machine worth considering if you're looking for power, control, and style. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with a fellow rider, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. See you in the next one.